All right, good morning, boys. What is up? Today was probably one of the fastest work days I've had in a minute. I'm gonna show you my current situation. These are alpha evals, and these are my Lucid Maxes. Now, Lucid Maxes are fairly expensive, so I'm trading the evals very slowly because, dude, the 50Ks are $200. And no, you cannot use discount codes when you are on the Lucid Max account, so they're pretty fucking expensive. They are the best accounts in the trading space. I'm about to tell you guys the rules, and you're gonna freak the fuck out. Um, Oh, I also secured max, not max allocation. I got two 150Ks with take profit trader. I'm gonna show you guys this right now. You can see the trade that played out today. Did I take the entire move? Absolutely not. I did not take the entire move. Let me move my mic closer. I don't know if you guys can hear me better now. But here's my current situation with take profit trader. I really just need to scalp some winning days. That's it. Right? I just need to scalp some winning days and I will have access to 250Ks on take profit trader. As you can see, I got my profit goal. I also got the profit goal on alpha, but I also fucked up consistency. As you can see, I made $1,736, meaning I'm gonna have to make $3,500 now. Yo, I got some tank tops from Aloe. These shits low-key fire. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. All right, this lighting's ass. But we're looking big in these tanks. All right, we got trade route. You guys are here for the trade recap. Sorry for the gap. Lucid Maxes literally just took it with one mini, and then I took this with three minis. Obviously I didn't hold all the fucking way to 136 points, but I'm gonna go over my trade idea for the day. So I wanted this area to be low of day. I thought price was just gonna soup this low at 6 p.m. inside this 4-hour gap, maybe tap into this 4-hour change in state and delivery right here, and then rip from this 4-hour gap to all-time highs, or sweep these lows and then rip to all-time highs. I was just so bullish. I was so bullish, and price just kept on dumping. That's why I literally just didn't take anything in Asia yesterday. I took one trade in Asia. Actually, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know why I said I didn't take anything. I didn't take any real trades. I took a Hail Mary to try to save my top sip accounts, and they're gone. I mean, bro, they had $1,000 left in them, and I needed to make $6,000 for a payout, so it was fucked. Where is 8 p.m. or 6 p.m. open? Six p.m. is here, right? Here. Yeah, I was bullish, so I longed here. Like, God save me. Like, I was so bullish, so I fully just took a long there, targeting like all-time highs, and I thought it was gonna be an AMD setup, and we weren't gonna push any lower, but I was completely wrong, and we ended up just shitting the bed. Now, coming into market open, what do I notice? Pre-market, what do we do? We ended up tapping into this 4-hour gap right here. Right? If we were to have been bullish, we would have just swept this low, inverse this 4-hour, and we'd be pushing higher right now. But instead, what did we do? We ended up tapping into it and respecting it with these lows resting below us. We have this low here, and we have these three lows here accumulated, as well as this low on ES. So I'm looking at all these lows, and I'm like, all right, this is a pretty obvious sell model, right? Pretty obvious sell model. So now we grab our 5-minute time frame. What the fuck did I just do? Grab the 5-minute time frame, and then we can see, all right, look, let's see what price did. Pre-market, we tapped into a 5-minute gap, which was also at this point in time OTE of the range. So we tapped into 0.705 of the range, as well as a 5-minute gap, and then got it was not a 1-minute inverse. We didn't inverse until this candle. So on some accounts, I entered here. On the alpha accounts, I entered here, and then I literally just sold here. And on the Lucid Max accounts, I entered here and sold all the way down here. Right? Obviously, my Risk reward is like a 1-to-1, something like this. Yeah. Pretty simple trade. I thought it was such a great setup today. I thought this was a beautiful trade. Now, like I said, I'm on evals. No need to make more than 50%. Could have held all the way here. I literally sent a text out to the Discord pre-market. If you guys are not in the Discord, you're missing out on so much shit. This is free every day. Bias is bearish. I want to see these lows get taken on both indices. Sent at 9:26 a.m. When price was trading here, I said I want to see all these lows get taken out. What did price immediately do after that? We manipulated higher, swept all this low resistance liquidity, tapped into not only that 5-minute gap, but also 0.705, which is OTE of the range. And then we got a beautiful displacement to the downside. Right? On the 30-second, it was even cleaner. You could have entered like here off the 30-second with your stop above that if you wanted to. And it literally all played. Insane trade today. Insane move. Fucking picture perfect, right? I entered off. I thought this inversed. Oh, it did, didn't it? No. Alright, so I really thought this inversed for some reason. But yeah, I entered up here, targeting this internal low. That's my model. Simple, internal, consistent models. I go for base hits. Now that I'm opening a live account, on the live account I would have taken it to down here. So I'm excited to see what I can do with the live account and how I can approach the market this next month. All right, boys, if you are trying to get trades like this on a daily basis, you should be in the free Discord. There's no reason for you not to. I also have a free guide of what I do pre-market every single day to get in a clear headspace. If you guys want to see that, check it out. I'll leave the link in the bio. It's going to be in the same link me description, as well as anything else you will need to become profitable, right? I'm also working on something really cool for the free Discord to make it like a program. One of my friends made sort of a Khan Academy type of company, and it's going to help a lot of people in the e-commerce space out with teaching their students. So if you guys are interested in that, that will be available shortly to you all. I hope you guys all have a blessed day, and I'll see you boys tomorrow. Peace out.